Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll address a common question. Can you transfer money from Lazada PayLater to GCash? The direct answer is no, but I'll show you the workaround people use. First, understand that Lazada PayLater is strictly for shopping on Lazada, not for cash withdrawals or transfers. Next, the workaround involves purchasing a GCash gift card or a load wallet card from Lazada using your PayLater credit. Then, search for GCash on Lazada and you'll find sellers offering GCash load or gift cards. Add this to your cart. After that, proceed to checkout and select PayLater as your payment method. Complete the purchase. Once you receive the GCash card code or instructions, redeem it in your GCash app to credit your wallet. This method effectively converts your PayLater credit to usable GCash balance, though it may involve small fees from the seller. Use this method responsibly and only from reputable sellers on Lazada. If this workaround was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.